Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can fix your microphone if it's not working in Discord and others cannot hear you. So let's get started and see how we can fix it. So the first step is, of course, make sure you're not muted. Make sure you're not muted and this is not activated, because if it's activated you will not be able to speak. So here, if this is not a problem, then go to user settings here. And now here we're gonna scroll all the way down until we see this voice and video, and then from here you will click on this let's check, and if you see this is moving, then it means that your microphone is working and something else is the problem. And here make sure, if you're on voice activity here, make sure you uncheck this and put the to here, so you always, if you don't want your keyboard to be heard all the time, so just put it somewhere here, so in the middle somewhere, so you can hear your voice, but your microphone is not picking up the keyboard. But I always use push to talk, and the shortcut, make sure you press it, the right one, and make sure it works. And here on input volume is 100, and here this is for when you speak, your volume when you speak, and this is volume when you hear someone. And here's the most important one. If it's on default like this, make sure you put it on your microphone that you're using, and you have to check which one is it. So just click here and just check and see which one is a microphone that you use, so you can try different ones. And this is for if you don't hear others, you can again check here and put it on default, and then try all of these options here and see if it works. If however everything of this didn't work, then you scroll all the way down. So we go all the way down a bit more, and here make sure this, you can try and disable it and see if it works. You can also try and disable this and enable this. And here as well, if you go all the way down, this is a lot of problem. This is where the people have a lot of problem with Discord on microphone. Here make sure this is disabled. If you have this enabled, make sure you disable it, and if you have it disabled, enable it and try to see if it works. And now if you want to reset all of your settings, just click here. If for some reason you want to reset everything, just click here. And even if all of this didn't work, and if this didn't work anything of it, go to here to your speaker icon here, right click on it and click on sounds, and here we're gonna click on recording, and here we right click anywhere and make sure this is show disabled devices and disconnected devices are both enabled. And here you will see your microphone here, the one that you know it's yours and it works. Make sure it's not disabled, so you have to have, if it's disabled like this, right click and enable it, and then double click on it, go to listen and click here and here on apply, and then you should be able to hear yourself. And if it works here on listen to this device, and when you click apply, if it works, then it means that your microphone is properly working. Here on levels, make sure it's on 100%, and here on boost, how much do you want, doesn't really matter here, but the more you go, the more boost you will get from your microphone. And here you can, on advanced tab, here you can choose a different CD quality, DVD quality and studio quality. You can choose different ones and see if it works. And that's pretty much it here, what you can do. And if it still does not work, make sure you test to another PC and see if even from that PC is not working, then the microphone is not working. So that's pretty much it, how you can fix it. There are several methods I showed you, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if I helped you, and thanks for watching. Bye.